I am explaining different loops in this part. We have 3 loops to work in each stitch. 2 loops are on the top of the stitch, and the 3rd one is on the back side. Here is our front loop. This one is the back loop. And on the back side, this one is our 3rd loop. We are starting with the front loop. I am using a different color so you can notice the impact. Make a chain and a simple double crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook and draw a loop from the front loop only. Complete the double crochet. Yarn over the hook and draw a loop from the front loop and complete the double crochet. Finish the row. Here is a close-up of the front side. And from the back side, we have 2 loops unworked. The next part is to work in the back loop only. Start with chain 1 and a simple double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert hook in the back loop only, and draw a loop. Complete the double crochet. Finish the row, working in the back loop of each remaining stitch. In a close-up, we can see an unworked loop on the front. This is the front loop. We also have an unworked loop on the back. This one is our 3rd loop.